see where this is from? Yep, you guessed it. It's Aztec candle supply. So there's a lot of smelly goodness in here. So let's see what I purchased for this season. What new fun things are we going to try? So we've got Argan Magic. That's one of my favorites. Persian silk. Ooh, I love it. I love it. That's pretty amazeballs. And then, of course, my freebies and my 5 for 5s. So I've got some special 5x5s here that I got just for some special projects I'm going to be making here on YouTube. Cactus and sea salt is one of them, so that will be in the cactus fruit soap. Sweater weather, I never did get to try that one. Let's see if we like it. Oh yeah, I like that. That's very appley. It's very nice. I think it could be used year round. Blueberry pump patch. Let's see. Oh, I like it. It's a nice yeah, it's definitely smells like blueberries and pumpkin. So that's going to be a fall tester. So we'll put these fall testers. I'm already getting ready for Christmas. Can you believe it? Cinnamon bread pudding, another one for testing. Ooh, I love it. Oh, that is so stinking good. That one's going to definitely be in the fall line if I still like it later, and how we'll see how it holds up in soap and whatnot. Black Strass molasses. That is an interesting one that I've been wanting to try for a while. So we're going to set it over here for a now thing. Brown sugar and fig. Bath and Body Works type. Oh yeah, baby. That can be used year round. Pepperberry mistletoe. Not my favorite, but we'll see how it does in bath bombs and stuff. Let's see, Driftwood Island. See, I live on an island. It's this one really, the name of it anyway, really called to me. Oh, I love it. Yeah, expect this one to be in my line if it holds up in my testing. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. That one stayed right in my nose. Bombshell type. I like it. That I'm doing a whole line of designer dupes. So those will go in some fun soaps in the fall. I'm gonna try it out now and we'll see. Here's another one. Diamonds and pearls. Let's see what this one is like. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, Driftwood Island, Diamonds and Pearls, Cactus and Sea Salt are all, is there another one? Are all part of the goodies that I want to put into designer line. Ooh, I like that too. That one, Black Sea, that one would make a really nice laundry soap. So maybe I will teach you how to make laundry soap. How does that sound? If you want to learn how to make laundry soap, please let me know in the comments below. But I think that would be perfect for laundry soap. All right, so we'll see you next time. Remember, you get lots of freebies from Aztec. They're super fun. I haven't had any trouble with any of their fragrances. I just have lots of fun with it. And again, let me know if you want to see some of my household products, because I am working on them again, revamping them, making them even better, because there's so many new things since I last started making it. You know, you get into a, you just make it because that's how you've always made it, and finding new ways to do things is always exciting for me. And so developing these recipes has been fantastic. So if you're interested, let me know and I will share with you. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.